Hi guys, it's Christina Marie and welcome to my very first unboxing video ever. I'm starting off with the January 2019 Ipsy bag. If you're not familiar with Ipsy, it's a $10 a month subscription beauty bag. They'll send out 5 either sample or full-size products, and it's a great way for you to figure out what do you like, what do you love, what are you gonna pass on. I did sign up for the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, but I'm still on the waiting list. Let me know in the comments below, how long did it take you to get off that waiting list? I'll list the Ipsy website down below, along with all the products that I used to create today's look. How I'm going to work my unboxings is I'll give you my first impressions, then at the end of the video, I will go and try on the products and let you know what I think. When I do my next month's video, I'll let you know kind of like a recap of what I thought of the previous month and if I liked it, if I loved it throughout the month. That way it's not just a first impression, but it's, really getting in and playing with it and see how it worked out for me. So let's get into it. I did already cut it open. So when you first open it up, you're going to see a little product description. It talks about new year, more products, more focus on you, and it'll give you a list of all the products in the bag, as well as tips and tricks on how to use them. So the first product that I can see in here, it's not even in the bag. It is the Firma Beauty Elite Brush. You guys, I'm so excited about this. I've heard amazing things about it. This brush is so soft, just kind of like a rabbit's foot soft. Perfect for getting in there, contouring that brush, putting on the apples of your cheeks. And one thing about Firma Beauty, if you don't already know, it is a cruelty-free product. Let's see what's next. You guys, here is the Ciate London Wonderland Mascara. Let's open it up here. That is a thick brush. I can't wait to try that guy out. How fun is that, you guys? I do know Ciate London that you kind of want to put a couple different coats on to make sure it's really great and built up. From what I've heard, it's not a clumping brand, so I'm going to try it out at the end of the video. So the very last thing is, out of my Ipsy bag, is the Jersey Shore Cosmetics Star Mint Glossy Bomb. It looks like it's really sheer. It'll give you a really cute shine. I love a good balm. You know what? Jersey Shore is actually a cruelty-free product. In fact, all of the products in the January Ipsy Glam are all cruelty-free. Huge shout out to Ipsy for doing that. So now let's take another look at that eyeliner. It's not smudging at all, you guys. I can't wait to try this out. So what I'm going to do now is use today's products, and I'll be right back. Here's the look that I created from the Ipsy bag January 2019. I really love the eyeliner and both the mascara. They worked really well. I really liked how the mascara wasn't clumping at all, and the eyeliner was the first liquid eyeliner that I used, and I really enjoyed it. The highlighter, I think I'm gonna have to play with a little bit to see if I can get it built up to the intensity that I like. I'll let you know when I do the February Ipsy bag unboxing as to whether or not I was able to make it work or not. Thank you guys so much for watching my very first unboxing video ever. Which of the products were your favorites? Did you get the same things in your bag? Let me know in the comments below. If you like this video, make sure to give it a big old thumbs up and subscribe below so you can find out when our next video will be posted. As always, have a beautiful day and I will see you soon.